Over the last years, the volume and complexity of data created by companies and people have grown exponentially. However, this data is not useful without a detailed analysis that allows us to get information from it. This is the reason why we have created the software Neural Designer, a high-performance machine learning platform used to simulate and optimize the processes at your company using the available data. Neural Designer is a data science and machine learning platform that helps you build, train, and deploy neural network models. There is no need to write code or build block diagrams. Instead, the interface guides you through a sequence of well-defined steps. The results are visualized in dashboards with many explanations, tables, and charts to facilitate their interpretation. Neural Designer is the highest performing machine learning platform on the market. Moreover, it is specialized in different sectors such as engineering and industry, energy and utilities, medicine and healthcare, retail and consumer, or banking and insurance. You can download the free trial and start building your own artificial intelligence models, so they can empower your organization to succeed and lead.